What is MetaTrader and how to use it? MetaTrader is a widely used electronic trading platform designed for online trading in financial markets. It was developed by MetaQuote Software and initially released in 2005. MetaTrader has since become one of the most popular trading platforms among retail traders and brokers globally due to its robust features and user-friendly interface. Key features of MetaTrader. 1. Trading instruments. MetaTrader supports trading in various financial instruments. Forex, major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. Stocks, shares of publicly listed companies. Commodities, precious metals like gold and silver. Energy products like oil and agricultural products. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. 2 versions of MetaTrader. There are 2 primary versions of MetaTrader. MetaTrader 4, MT4, known for its stability, extensive technical analysis tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities through expert advisors, or EAS. MetaTrader 5, MT5, builds on MT4 with additional features such as more time frames, more order types, economic calendar integration, and a built-in economic calendar. 3 key functionalities. MetaTrader platforms offer the following functionalities: charting tools, multiple chart types, candlestick, line, bar, timeframes from 1 minute to monthly, and drawing tools, trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, shapes, technical analysis, hundreds of built-in indicators and analytical tools for market analysis, algorithmic trading, create, backtest, and deploy automated trading strategies using expert advisors, EAs, and scripts, market watch and depth of market, monitor real-time prices and liquidity, mobile trading, access your account and trade on the go with mobile versions for iOS and Android devices. 4. Using MetaTrader. Getting started. Download and install. Download MetaTrader from the official MetaQuotes website or through your broker's platform. Account setup. Open a trading account with a broker that supports MetaTrader and connect it to the platform. Navigating the interface. Familiarize yourself with the various windows such as Market Watch, Navigator, and Terminal. Placing trades. Order types, market orders, pending orders, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, and trailing stops. Executing trades. Enter trade details, volume, stop loss, take profit, and confirm the order. Technical analysis. Charts. Choose an asset, select a time frame, and analyze price movements using technical indicators and drawing tools. Indicators. Overlay indicators like moving average convergence divergence, MACD, relative strength index, RSI, and Bollinger Bands to analyze trends and identify entry-exit points. Automated trading. Expert advisors, EAS. Develop or install EAs to automate trading strategies based on predefined rules. Backtesting. Test EAs on historical data to evaluate their performance before deploying them in live markets. Managing positions. Monitoring positions. Track open positions, monitor profit loss, and modify orders as needed. Closing positions. Close trades manually or set conditions for automatic closure. Take profit or stop loss. 5. Advantages of MetaTrader. User-friendly, intuitive interface suitable for both novice and experienced traders. Customization. Personalized charts, layouts, and indicators to suit your trading style. Community support. Access a large community of traders. Share strategies and learn from others. Security. Secure communication protocols and data encryption ensure the safety of transactions and personal information. Conclusion. MetaTrader is a comprehensive trading platform that offers powerful tools for technical analysis, automated trading, and real-time market monitoring across multiple financial markets. Whether you are trading Forex, stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, MetaTrader provides the tools and functionalities necessary to execute trades efficiently and make informed trading decisions. By leveraging its charting capabilities, extensive indicators, and algorithmic trading features, traders can enhance their trading strategies and navigate the complexities of financial markets effectively with MetaTrader. Further resources. MetaQuotes website, official resources, updates, and downloads for MetaTrader. Broker support. Many brokers offer tutorials, webinars, and customer support specifically for MetaTrader users. Online communities. Engage with fellow traders on forums and social media platforms to exchange ideas and strategies.